Okay, my bell peppers are still growing. Come on, get bigger and bigger for us. Look at all the blooms. Beautiful, beautiful. There's the one right there. Come on, get bigger. I see, I see. Look at you. Come on, get bigger for us. Look at here. Okay, bell peppers. Y'all looking good. See a lot of blooms on you. Come on. Continue to grow big and beautiful for us. Look over here. See a little one still growing. See some little ones there. Yes, yes. Continue to grow big and beautiful for us. Come on, bell peppers. I finally have a lot of marigolds finally blooming out. Okay, marigolds. Look how beautiful you are. My mustard greens are growing. Look at y'all. Okay. Okay, mustard greens. Come on, continue to grow. My red mustard greens over here. Y'all looking good, looking good. Looking good. Yes. My collard greens, they're not sprouting up as good as the mustard greens. Didn't have a lot of them germinated all the way like the mustard greens did. Okay, come on, grow. Come on, catch up, collard greens. These beautiful red mustard greens. Okay. Now come on and grow. Big and beautiful for us. Your row getting full. Regular mustard greens, y'all, sprouting up and getting big too. Come on. Enjoy seeing y'all getting big in the fall. Getting bigger in the fall. Yes, you are. Now, I don't know what's going on over here with this bed here. I sowed some more green beans my second round, and no more have sprouted out, no more germinated. Only thing is still this one by itself, but it has a lot of blooms on it. I see a lot of green beans are gonna come from this one plant. One of your other family want to germinate and come out and have fun with you and grow in this bed. So come on and grow some green beans for us. Same thing happening over in this bed. My second round of green beans I sowed in this bed. None of them have germinated. This one is still growing by itself. And it still have a lot of blooms on it. Look at that. I see one green bean on there. I see one green bean. I don't know if you can see it through that netting. One green bean I see. It has some blooms on it. It's still growing by itself. Come on. You gotta grow the green beans by yourself. None of your other family want to germinate and come out and have fun with you either. Okay. Grow me some green beans. And look at my zinnia that I cut off. The top of it has come back out. And another beautiful zinnia is growing in its place. Looking beautiful.